ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n pè fún ìtúsílẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu o. Wọ́n ní ìjọba Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀. Inú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà lẹ́ ń wò yẹn. Ẹni tó jẹ́ representative tí orúkọ rẹ̀ jẹ́ John James, òun ló gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọnú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà wípé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀. Bákan náà ni wọ́n dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ Christian genocide. Ṣé mọ̀ pé láti inú oṣù kọkànlá ọdún tó kọjá ni wọ́n ti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ kó tó di pé ààrẹ Donald Trump wá ju àdó olóró ní ọjọ́ Kérésìmesì 25 December 2025. Láti ìgbà yẹn wọn ò dákẹ́ o, ṣùgbọ́n báyìí wọ́n ní àwọn ti take it serious gidi báyìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti gbé wọnú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà ní Washington DC. Arákùnrin tẹ́ ń wò yìí ó dìde sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu, ó ní kò yẹ kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n hu ìwà tí wọ́n hù sí Nnamdi Kanu yẹn kí wọ́n hù sí, torí pé àwọn Boko repentant, àwọn tí wọ́n ń pààyàn, àwọn Islamic radical, àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wọnú ìlú wá, àjèjì ni wọ́n ń pa ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti mú wọn ẹ ń pè wọ́n ní prodigal son. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ onílùú tí ẹ wá fi ẹ̀sùn kàn, tí ẹ wá mú, tẹ́ ẹ lọ fún ní life imprisonment? Ẹ wo aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n ti pè fún ìtúsílẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. A fi ohùn sí, ṣùgbọ́n ká tó fi ohùn sí, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, àwọn ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà ọjọ́ wo ni wọ́n fi tribalism ń ṣiṣẹ́ o? Nigeria police tribalism ni wọ́n fi ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ wo àwọn brọ́dà wa yìí tí wọ́n ń bọ̀, arìnrìn àjò ni wọ́n ń bọ̀ láti UK. Nígbà tí wọ́n máa dé checkpoint yẹn, ọmọ Àkúrẹ́ ni wọ́n. Nígbà tí wọ́n dé checkpoint tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti ń yẹ ìwé wò, wọ́n yẹ gbogbo ìwé wọn wò, ìwé wọn pé o, kò sí nǹkan kan tó kù, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ń retí kí àwọn brọ́dà wọn kí wọ́n fún àwọn ní owó, kí wọ́n fún wọn kọ́ṣọwọ́ kúdùrú fún wọn, ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò fún wọn ní owó. Wọ́n ṣà ń ka oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀sùn sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ wípé kí ló ti kù, kí lẹ síìsì driving license àwọn fún, gbogbo ìwé ọkọ̀ ló ti pé, àwọn gba ọ̀dọ̀ custom kọjá gan, wọ́n pàṣẹ àwọn. Kí ló wá dé nígbà táwọn dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ọlọ́pàá? Làwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n bá tutọ́ sókè ni wọ́n fojú gbà wípé tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ Ìgbò níyín ni, wọ́n fi ń yé àwọn tó ń bọ̀ láti UK pé tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ Ìgbò ni wọ́n ni, àwọn máa detain wọn ni. Ẹ wo ó wà ń bí fọ́nrán yẹn lẹ́ ń wò yẹn o, bí wọ́n ṣe ń yẹ ìwé ọkọ̀ wò, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé ọlọ́pàá yẹn pé kí wọ́n fún àwọn ní driving license àwọn. Àṣẹ ọlọ́pàá ti ń lo tribalism fún ṣiṣẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ò kí ń ṣẹgbẹ́ àwọn tó ń bọ̀ ní UK, ìpèsègbẹ́ làwọn ni o, tí wọ́n ti ń lo éèjì fi ń yẹ ìwé ọkọ̀ wò ní. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa bá wa gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a kọ́kọ́ fi ohùn sí, kẹ́ ẹ bá wa rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà o, bí wọ́n ṣe dìde tí wọ́n pè fún ìtúsílẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu.
Nigeria is the deadliest place on earth to be a Christian today. Since 2019, tens of thousands of Christians in Nigeria have been slaughtered as part of a sustained pattern of religiously motivated violence by Islamist jihadis ignored or enabled by the Nigerian government. Extremist groups like Boko Haram are allowed to operate without any meaningful response from authorities. A courageous leader named Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was convicted in a farce show trial for speaking out about what's happening. He's currently serving a life sentence in prison, convicted on false terrorism charges. I implore my colleagues to support my bill, HRES 1321, calling on the Nigerian government to conduct another trial in accordance with its own constitution, based on evidence, with access to legal counsel, medical care, and international law pertaining to humane conditions of detention, or, better yet, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately and unconditionally. America gives billions to Nigeria. We will not continue to fund a Christian genocide. We have the moral obligation to stand up so our Christian brothers and sisters can worship the Lord our God in peace. With that, Mr. Speaker, I yield.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ṣé bá wa gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe mú tí wọ́n gbé wọnú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà wípé àwọn máa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o, wípé ìjọba Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti mẹ́nubà wípé ẹgbẹ̀lẹ́gbẹ̀ bílíọ̀nù dọ́là làwọn ti ná, làwọn ti fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà látara insecurity. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà ibi tó wà ló wà. Ẹ wá wo ohun tí wọ́n sọ yìí. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tí ìjọba Nàìjíríà bá ti lè máa bojú àánú wo àwọn apààyàn, àwọn Boko tí wọ́n jẹ́ àjèjì tí wọ́n kì í ṣe Nigerians, kí ló wá kù? Irú ẹ̀sùn wo ni wọ́n bá wá kà sí ẹsẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu tí ó máa ju ti àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí lọ tí wọ́n ń pààyàn tí wọ́n ń gba ránsọ́ọ̀mù ṣe bí dìsẹ́mì ìjọba yìí náà ni wọ́n bojú àánú wò wọ́n pé prodigal son ni wọ́n. Ẹ ti ẹ̀ wo recently àwọn tí wọ́n dájọ́ life imprisonment fún tí wọ́n bẹ́ orí olùkọ́ tí wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ lọ ní Ọ̀yọ́ kí ló wá dé tí wọn ò ní lè bojú àánú wo Nnamdi Kanu. Ṣe ni pé Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n ti dìde sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn báyìí o. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn wọnú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà àti ti Christian genocide wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ àwọn ò lè dákẹ́ wípé ní àgbáyé wípé Nàìjíríà ní population bí tí wọ́n ti ń pa Kristẹni jù wọ́n ní Nàìjíríà ni. Ṣé ti wá rẹ̀ ìdí tí a lè fi dákẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ torí pé àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ Islamic radical group yìí wọ́n fẹ́ gba ìlú ni wọ́n fẹ́ gba ìlú ni wọ́n fẹ́ gba ilẹ̀ ni. Àwa tí a dẹ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ onílùú àwa tá a jẹ́ ọmọ onílẹ̀ a ò gbọ́dọ̀ dákẹ́ ká lọ́jú kalẹ̀ kí tàlùbọ̀ máa ṣe báyìí kó bọ̀ wá lójú kí wọ́n máa lé àwọn èèyàn wa kúrò ní ìlú ká má sọ̀rọ̀. Tá a bá wá rí fọ́nrán báyìí tí wọ́n dìde àwa náà a gbọ́dọ̀ dìde tẹ̀lé wípé sẹ́ a ní ilẹ̀ wa a ò gbọ́dọ̀ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀ fún wọn a gbọ́dọ̀ dúró tán wípé o ìhà yìí o ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n pè bí o. Ẹyẹ ènìyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ kí a wo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ o láàrin àwọn brọ́dà wa tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ ní UK ọmọ Àkúrẹ́ ni wọ́n Yorùbá ni wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n ṣàdédé la rí pé ọlọ́pàá ti wá di tribalism bọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o wọ́n fi ń yé wọn wípé àní tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ Ìgbò nìyí àwọn máa dìtẹ̀ yín ni láì ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kankan o ìwé ọkọ̀ wọn pé o wọ́n dẹ̀ síìsì driving license wọ́n fẹ́ gba owó ṣùgbọ́n àwọn yẹn kọ̀ UK ni wọ́n ti ń bọ̀ ẹjọ́ ṣé wọ́n máa fún ọlọ́pàá ní bribe ní UK ni nígbà tí ìwé ọkọ̀ bá pé tẹ́ ti yẹ̀ wọ́n wò tẹ́ dẹ̀ wá expect pé kí wọ́n fún yín lówó tí wàá mú lóní kékeré nìyẹn wọ́n wá síìsì driving license wọn wípé tí wọ́n bá ti kọ́ lọ park ó yẹ park kí làwọn fẹ́ park fún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti yẹ ìwé wò ká máa gbókùnrelé olóró ẹ jẹ́ kí a fi ohùn sí kẹ́ bá wa gbọ́ àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu àwọn arìnrìn àjò yìí.
Are you okay?
Oga. Sorry?
They came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes.
You live there?
Yes. I'm living in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
Nothing Musa no go see.
The taxi, I don't have anything now. I don't have anything. I will give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's all. With another person, or Igbo or that person. I'm just
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now. Hey, can I have my driving license here? What can I do now?
Go and park. See that for the
What can I do? Make I just park. You know, tell me what I do now, guy. No, check my driving license, check my documents. Say make I do that. Say make I do it that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now.
Go and park here. It will be or invoice of all those items.
The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Huh? No, don't worry. Okay. The way be of
What
the.
you say should not do. Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
So is it supposed to be list one after the other, all those custom papers?
Yes. The items,
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
Do your
all
job
those
properly. Do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better.
Everything is intact. Why do you back?
Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go him on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any offense.
I know.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Are you
okay?
Okay.
Statement.
Okay. I haven't got to that level.
Let you.
He hasn't got to that level.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Statement.
Allah.
Sorry?
They came from America.
Nothing Musa no
Came from
Christopher.
UK. I'm the owner, yes.
Yes.
Yes. I'm living in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
Can't do better than
The taxi. I don't have anything to go. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why we welcome. If another person or Igbo or that person, I'll just go out.
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now. Hey, can I have my driving license here? What can I do now?
Go and park. See that?
What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now, guy? No, check my driving license. Check my documents. It's make I do it that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now.
Go and park here. You will be
Where?
or invoice of all those items.
The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Huh? No, don't worry. Okay. The way be of
What
the.
you say she not do? Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
Well, is it supposed to be list one after the other, all those custom papers?
Yes. The items,
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
Do your
all
job
those
properly.
things-
Do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better.
Everything is intact. Why you not back?
Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go him on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any offense.
I know.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'll buy here.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. I haven't got to that level. He hasn't got to that level.
Asking where is the invoice?
Yeah, but which I did. But that's why, and I told you, I said this vehicle came. This vehicle came.
Even living, I was even. I know you are going on the level. I was even trying to.
Okay. But
For you,
okay, why do you? Okay.
Listen, I know she's money. Not Arab. Don't you try at the point here. So I want you to be dead with.
Based on what?
Where is mate?
It's not about his mate now.
Not your mate.
You are not my mate, of course, but it's not about that. Be professional. It's not about age.
Well, it's not polite.
It's not about age. Can I have my driving license? My document is correct. What happened now? I'm from Akure. I will go back to Akure, sorry. But why does he have to hold my driving license? You know what this thing? Can I have my driving license? It's not about money. Why does he have to hold my driving license? What can I do? Don't worry about that. I have everything on record now. Why are you doing this? I will need. Okay, what do they want me to do? So what are you saying now? It's not about that. Now, it's not about money now. It's not about money. Okay, officer. Okay, it's not about that. Yeah. Can we?
I have your camera. I have my own here. As your brother, I have your own camera. I have my own here.
Okay, so what have I done wrong? That's my. What have I done wrong now that I seize my license? What have I done that makes him?
You don't even have any.
And so what have I done?
With the officer.
But why does he have to hold my license?
Is it the driver?
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ṣe ẹ bá wa rí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹjọ́ ṣé nǹkan tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bójúmu no ṣé ó bójúmu ọjọ́ wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí dá ṣe àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí ṣé láti jẹ́ kí ìlú kó dáa náà lélẹ̀ àbí orílẹ̀-èdè wo lágbà ilẹ̀ tí irú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Báwo lẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ṣe wà lọ́nà tẹ́ ẹ máa sọ wípé owó lẹ fẹ́ gbà? Ìwé ọkọ̀ ni wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ wò, ẹ dẹ̀ ti wo ìwé ọkọ̀ nìyẹn, ìwé ọkọ̀ ti gbé nìyẹn, ẹ dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ. Ẹ kí lẹ torí wá gba driving license wọn kọ́ lọ páàkì yẹn báyìí owó ni. Wọ́n ti fi bribe, wọ́n ti fi bà wọ́n jẹ́. Ó ti bà wọ́n jẹ́. Ọ̀nà tí wọ́n gbà tó ń dúró sí yẹn báyìí, ẹ gbogbo mọ́tò tó bá ń kọjá kọ́ ṣàti fún wọn lówó ni. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn brọ́dà yìí wọ́n takú tì wọ́n lọ́rùn pé a ní àwọn olówó táwọn fẹ́ fún yín. Ara nǹkan tẹ́ fi ń bàlú jẹ́ nìyẹn. Àwọn ò ní owó tí àwọn fẹ́ fún yín. Nígbà tí inú máa wá bí wọn torí pé àwọn yìí wọ́n sọ Yorùbá, wọ́n ní ẹjọ́ la wípé ẹ kì í ṣe ọmọ Ìgbò. Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ Ìgbò ni àwọn máa dìtẹ̀ yín. So wọ́n ti tribalism bọ iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà. So ó ti ní tribe kan tó yẹ pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dìtẹ̀. Ọ̀tọ̀ ní tribe tó yẹ pé ó gbọ́dọ̀ sanwó. Tribe míì bóyá wọ́n á wọ àtọkọ ẹ̀ á lọ land ní inú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ni àbí ní police station wọn. Ṣẹ́rí kan tá à ń sọ. Ṣé ìlú leléyìí báyìí? Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò wọ́n ta tán sí wọn lọ́rùn ní South Africa o. Ẹ wo wọ́n ní wọ́n ti mú àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò kan ní ọlọ́pàá South Africa. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ti nà títí tó fi kú. Ṣé bí àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà gbé ọkọ̀ òfurufú lọ pé kó lọ kó àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà wá? Ṣé pé àwọn èèyàn ìpọ̀ tó lè síbẹ̀? Ẹ wo àwọn leléyìí o. Wọ́n ní ọmọ Ìgbò kan pé wọ́n ti nà tẹ̀mí fi bọ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò tó kù ni wọ́n bá yà sí títì ni wọ́n ní àwọn ò ní gbà o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá South Africa lẹ́rí níwájú wọn yẹn, wọ́n lọ sí embassy láti lè lọ ké gbàjarè wípé wọ́n ti pa brọ́dà wọn o. Jẹ́ ká fi ohùn sí kẹ́ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn.
Brother, what exactly happened here, please?
They came.
Okay.
They came today. They came around 10 o'clock.
Okay.
In the morning.
Okay.
Till now, they beat the young man. After searching and after investigating, they found nothing.
Okay.
The young man took them around. They handcuffed him.
Okay.
Plastic him, and they killed him to death. They killed him. South African police killed him. They killed our brother. South African police, they killed our brother.
When we approached the captain, the captain said that they find the guy inside the house when he's having heart attack. How can you find someone who is having a heart attack inside
In the house? And you did not
arrested him? And also taking him
What
around.
is your job as a police?
Forcing him to give you drugs. Do they give many drugs to keep for you? Did you guys
So where is the guy now? Where is the guy now that killed? Where is he? So the body is still inside.
They took him from here. They took him from here, handcuffed him, pouring water on him. The only cigarette that he wear. They pouring water on him. This water, they pour water on him, take him to his place, and strung him to death. And they came in here always. And what they came here to do is to speak for people. That's what they came here to do. They come here. They come here. They come to
Yes, as you can see, we are here today in Patsy. So they are complaining that the Nigerian guy was killed this early morning, today being on the 23rd of July.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ṣé ẹ bá wa gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o? Ṣé ẹ rí pé wàhálà gidi lélẹ̀? Àwọn èèyàn ò lè padà sílé, wọ́n ṣáà ta tán sí wọn lọ́rùn ní South Africa nígbà tí ilé ò ṣe ń padà sí. Púpọ̀ wọn láwọn ti invest, wọ́n ti kọ́lé, àwọn ò lè fi sílẹ̀. Ìyẹn ni àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò o. Ó ga ò kọ́nà kó ṣàánú fún wa o. Ṣé ẹ̀mí èèyàn ṣé kò ju ọ̀rọ̀ investment lọ? Àwọn lẹ́rí tí wọ́n dúró ti àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn lọ́rùn yẹn o. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ti pa brọ́dà wọn o. Ìjọba Nàìjíríà, ara àwọn ìdí tá fi ní kẹ́ tó ìlú ṣe lélẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá tó ìlú ṣe, ìṣèbó olúkálùkù á padà sílé ní ìrọ̀rùn pẹ̀lú ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀. Àti lọlé ó ń ba everybody lẹ́rù. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn eléyìí wọ́n lágídí o. Wọ́n láwọn ò lọ́bi kankan o. Wọ́n jókòó tì wọ́n lọ́rùn síbẹ̀ o. Títí tí wọ́n ti mú kan nínú wọn tí wọ́n náà wọ́n pa. Ṣé ìwà náà ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá South Africa ń hù yìí? Nígbà tí president wọn tó back wọn up àti àwọn immigration wọn àtọlọ́pàá wọn àtàrá ìlú gbogbo wọn irú kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wọ́n. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yín ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. A ní dààmú o, tí a fi ká pawọ́pọ̀ ká tún ìlú tiwa náà ṣe o. Kí Elédùmarè kó ṣàánú fún wa, kó gbà fún wa, a ní dààmú. Ṣé ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ gba fọ́ọ̀mù ọlọ́pàá ṣé wọ́n máa ń béèrè pé ṣé Yorùbá ni ẹ́ àbí Ìgbò ni ẹ́? Ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ń ṣe tribalism láti ti fi já ìwé fúnyàn lọ́nà, láti fi wo driving license ṣe ti rí? Nígbà tí gbogbo wọ̀nyí ti wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, báwo ni ìlú ṣe fẹ́ dá? Nígbà tí ó yẹ pé tribalism ni wọ́n ti ń lò yìí, kí ló dé tí wọ́n fi jẹ́ kí olúkálùkù máa lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀? Kí la jọ wá wà papọ̀ fún? Ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀, jẹ́ kí olúkálùkù máa lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ṣé rí kan tá à ń sọ? A ní Yorùbá, jẹ́ ká ronú ara wa. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, a ní ká mú wa tó wa létí bó ṣe ń lọ ni o. Nínú ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin l'Amẹ́ríkà, wọ́n ti pè fún ìtúsílẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu. Wọ́n ní wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀. Kí ló tẹ́ bá wa rí sí ìgbésẹ̀ yìí? Jẹ́ ká rí èròǹgbà yín ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Ní orí ìkànnì wa náà níbí ni. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, ọ̀rẹ́ yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, àbúrò yín, Àṣàkẹ́ TV Show. Ẹ máa bá wa pín ètò wa, ẹ pín lógúnlógún, ẹ pín lọ́gbọ̀lọ́gbọ̀. Lórí ashaketvnews.com, ẹ máa bá wa ka àwọn ìròyìn wa tó wà ńbẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí ibẹ̀ náà ni àti gbé jáde níbẹ̀. Elédùmarè á ràn wá lọ́wọ́, a ní dààmú. Ká ní pàdé ayọ̀. Àṣàkẹ́ TV Show.